Hi there everybody. On today's video I'm going to be working on this Lexus IS250. This is the V6 and it's a 2008. I'm going to be showing how to change the air filter. It's located under this cover here. Just need to pop these clips. They just come out. Taking these two out. And there is another three, and there's a little 10mm nut. Just in there, we need to remove that. So with that cover out of the way, we have access to this. So just a few clips we need to pop open. Just pull them really. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There's another one down here which is more like a slightly different type of clip. Then you can lift this cover up. That's where the filter is. This one it's Blueprint ADT 32290. This one is very clean. I don't think I need to change it. So this just push in. That's just a plastic 10mm screw, so I'm only tightening it by hand. And the little clips that go there and there. One there and the other two. Hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.